The sun climbs high to find its light within your eyes. A golden spark where every shadow fades and dies. You are the whisper of the wind through willow trees, the gentle pulse of life in salt-spun summer breezes. Heart beats steady like the tide upon the sand, beauty blooming guided by a master's hand. Step by step the earth begins to glow and sing. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring. Your kindness flows just like a river deep and wide. With nothing left to fear and nothing left to hide. A mountain's grace, a valley's peace, a sky of blue. The universe is painting portraits just of you. So let the rhythm carry on, so wild and free, a symphony of joy, a boundless energy. Heart beats steady like the tide upon the sand, beauty blooming guided by a master's hand. Step by step the earth begins to glow and sing. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring. For in your smile the weary world finds sweet release, a masterpiece of love, a living breath of peace. Heart beats steady like the tide upon the sand, beauty blooming guided by a master's hand. Step by step the earth begins to glow and sing. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring.